Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 best websites where you can learn typing very quickly and easily. And I will make a separate video tutorial for these websites so that you can understand more clearly. And make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any videos which I will upload on my channel. And without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, first you need to open your favorite browser. I will open Chrome, and I gave link to this website in the description box below. Make sure you read that. And in the third place we got TypingClub, and I'm just showing a overview, and I will make the tutorial video after, as I said earlier. And you can see you can get started, and it says it's the most effective way to learn how to type. I don't want to click on the get started because I will make the video separately. And let me scroll down, and you can see it says how does it work, and do you need any, what the stuff you need, and how does it works. And it says all the stuff. I will explain that later. And here you can see that guys, down here, let me scroll down, it says Google Partner. I think it will be better because it's a Google Partner. And let me scroll down, and I don't know what these are. And okay, you can see the school edition. Actually you gotta pay, you're going to pay for the school edition, so we are talking about free stuff and we don't need to pay money. So this is the website in our third place. And in the second place we got the website that is Speed Typing Online, and you can see that its overlay is pretty simple. It's you can see that for each lesson you learn 2 lessons, and at the end you will learn all the stuff you learned before. And you can see it says, and you got so many lessons here. And let me scroll down. It says advanced lessons where you can learn combo punctuations. That means first you need to complete these classic lessons, and after that you should go for the advanced lessons. And it's like you can see shift. At the end of the lesson you're going to learn all. And in the first position we got TypingTrainer.com. You can see that I already started learning in this, and I learned so many letters in just 2-3 hours. It's like it instructs you how you should do the work. That means like what should be for your body position while typing, and it's wait, I will show you one. Okay, I actually started learning this, and I almost completed 7 lessons. And my choice is go with this TypingTrainer.com. It is like very user friendly, and you got the, you can learn the typing very quickly with this. And you can see all the lessons I have passed, and I got 1 lesson in progress. Okay, let me open this. It's opening up. Oh man, it actually asks me to log in again. Okay, I'm going to log in. Okay, let me open this. You can see it's loading on. I like the overlay, how it's like pretty cool, no? And man, it's taking so much time. and you can see for each lesson we are having like 8 parts to complete. First we need a warm up, after that we learn new letters and word drill in which we need to type the letters which we learned, and some smart checkup for that those words which we feel difficult to type when we are in the progress, and at last we should take the final test. And I think you can learn the full course in just 10 to 12 hours. If you sit in one day, you can learn very quickly. If you are in a hurry, then you probably choose this because this is my choice. And that's it for the day, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And this is my third video on which this is my first video on which I give voiceover. And these are the 3 websites, and I will be making a separate video tutorial for this. So make sure you guys subscribe to me so that you don't miss the tutorial video, which I will try to make more better than this video. And that's it. And if you have lots of time, you can choose this website, Speed Typing Online. And this is just a overview. After trying all this, I will show you I will tell you the full review about these websites and tell you finally. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. This is FPS signing off.